Growing up, I was a bit of a nerd when it came to computers. I was always surrounded by them, always fascinated by them. In school, I was always known as the shy one, the one that didn't really speak to anyone apart from my friendship group. And then I kind of took the opportunity at university to be outgoing, be myself. We were all in the same position, so I kind of thought, what have I got to lose? My A-level teacher came in, introduced computer science, and that's kind of when it was all fell into place. I was like, this is really cool. The course incorporates lots of different aspects. So you do the front end, you do programming, which is obviously starts from the fundamentals. You don't have to have programming knowledge in order to do the degree. I was looking at the aspects of computer science in my final year that I really enjoyed, and I thought, why not go and do a different sort of subject? So that's why I decided to go for my Masters in Data Science. And I decided to stay at University of South Wales purely because of that community, of the lecturers here. As part of my Masters, I was given the opportunity to do some HPL work, which is hourly paid lecturing, for the computer science department. That interaction with new people, the new students, was kind of what made me fall in love with lecturing. The students feel that they can speak to me because I'm a younger lecturer as well, which is really quite a nice environment to be in for both myself and for the students. I was never known as the student to kind of be the chatty one, and now I walk into a lecture of 60 plus students and it's so natural. So moving from a student to lecture position, it was a shock, but it was probably the best opportunity for me.